In order to sew on a button, I'm going to take my needle and thread. I already have a knot in my thread. And my first stitch is going to be through the button itself so that my thread and button are attached. And this will just make life a little bit easier to sew it on. And I already have the buttons marked on the front of my blouse. So we're just going to stick the needle right there while we take the pin out. And I want my holes going vertically. And just going to go up and down a few times. The more times you sew it, the stronger it'll be. And then to knot my thread, I'm just going to turn it over and take a few tiny stitches. And that is how you sew on a button.